Hi and welcome to Funky Female Friday, where flood is the new sexy.
Hi! So on this episode of Triple F, I will be taking you through my 6 months journey on YouTube.
Triple F means Funky Female Friday. Initially it was called Female Awareness Friday, but I just needed something that isn't so serious so that people can easily relate with. I decided to go with vintage shirts, simple, because aside from the fact that I love old school, I didn't want people to be distracted with my outfit because I'm trying to pass health information. So I just want you guys to just listen and pay more attention to the message.
I record my videos with an iPhone 8 on a tripod using the ProMovie app and LED lights.
I usually edit my videos with Adobe Premiere Pro. Just scripting, and sometimes it takes a week, sometimes 2 weeks, sometimes it even takes a month. The easiest part is just for me to sit down and just film. My first sexual experience. That episode just made me really open myself out to the world, and it just made me open a part of me that a lot of people didn't know about. That would be abortion, masturbation, and anal sex. No, I haven't started earning from YouTube, and that's because I've not met the criteria of having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Getting people to subscribe to the channel, it's just sometimes disheartening when you check your analytics and you're seeing over 2, 3, 4, 5,000 views, and all you're seeing is 400 subscribers, and you're like, come on, you guys, you're enjoying this video, you come back to watch it, why don't you just subscribe? Yes, so many times. Because it's like you're putting so much effort, you're not really getting the results you want. So that thing is always whispering to you, just call it quit, call it quit, call it quit. And I'm like, no. I actually told myself I'm going to give this 2 years. It's not really for the earning. Of course, I have to earn because, come on, I buy these shirts and I pay for data. It costs a lot. I spend a lot trying to produce this. One thing that just keeps me going is people are learning, people keep thanking me, people come to my inbox, send me messages, send me mails, and like, thank you so much for your show. It really impacted in my life. I really gained something. So that's one thing that just keeps me going, even if I'm not earning. It just keeps me going and just makes me continue and not want to just throw in the towel. So Triple F may take a different turn, but I'm still going to talk about women's sexual, physical, and mental health. I was talking about blowjobs and vaginas, and my mama called me and she was like, why wouldn't you be talking about this kind of topics? Like, you can talk about other things. And I'm like, come on, I'm a doctor. If I don't talk about these things, who will? I had to just tell her that, mommy, please just understand. I'm just trying to help people here. It's not like I'm encouraging people to do. People are doing it already. I just want to help and tell them the medical implications of what they're doing so they can be more careful and cautious. And she understood. You guys are amazing. Trust me, you have been really supportive, because when I see comments like that, it just pushes me to want to do more. When you say thank you, when you show appreciation, when you say, oh, this video, I learned this from this video, it just encourages me to want to do more. So to all my subscribers out there, you are the real MVPs, and I am truly, truly grateful. See you in the second half of 2020, and adios.